All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card from BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Today we're going to be talking about Luna, Terra. This cryptocurrency is in the top 10. It's making all kinds of waves. It's up crazy right now. Last 7 days is up over 40%. Key thing in the top 10. Terra is in the top 10. What is going on? We're going to talk about that, do a little deep dive. Next thing, we're also going to talk about, 3 reasons what's behind the crypto crash that drug Bitcoin under 50,000. There's 3 reasons, 3 things that are going on. We're going to talk about those 3 reasons today. And it being Sunday, we're going to talk about Tom Brady, what Tom's getting into, and you and I both know it, it's cryptocurrency. He's going to let the whole football fans across the country know that he's getting into cryptocurrency. So sit back and enjoy. Today's going to be a fantastic episode. One of our goals on the channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, one day even own some cryptocurrency. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Let's go ahead and head over to Terra. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, take a look at number 10, above Dogecoin, above Shiba Inu, above Avalanche. You heard me say that, above all these. Terra, Luna, number 10. I mean, this is just some fantastic news, everybody. Up 41% in the last 7 days, and it's up 10% in the last 24 hours. This coin is being traded at $67.40. All right, over here to the right, it's up 10%, $67.40. Terra Luna, L-U-N-A. Take a look here. In the last 7 days, it's going to up. This coin was traded at $48 less than a week ago. $48, and it went up to $52. And look, it's going to $55. Right here was at $57. I mean, and this thing is just, it came down a little bit, down to $56, and it's backed up to $67. Now, why is this coin going up so much? Over here on the Terra's Twitter account, this is the other day, it went up to $76. I'm going to do my price prediction a little later. It's powered an all-time high of $77.50, making it the 9th most valuable cryptocurrency according to CoinMarketCap. Now, this post right here, it was the 9th cryptocurrency. It was only 15 hours ago. So this coin is at number 10, number 9. It reached an all-time high of $77.50. I mean, just all kinds of great stuff going on. You know, jumping over to the website, www.terra.money, programmable money for the internet. Spend, save, and stake like never before. There's a public blockchain protocol deploying a suite of algorithms, decentralized stablecoins. Terra's trying to change the way everything's going on, and it looks like it's doing it. But join the vibrant Terra ecosystem. Build on Terra, discover Terra, the industry-leading decentralized stable, vibrant smart contract platforms, thriving cross-chain DeFi environment, build on Cosmos. I mean, all kinds of good stuff. With Terra supported by leading blockchains, so there's all kinds of blockchains that are using Terra and Luna. Just to take a look at this diagram. I mean, pretty awesome stuff, everybody. Join the fastest ecosystem in crypto with 100 projects across DeFi, Web3, and NFTs. Learn more about Terra, discover how Terra works and how you can interact with the ecosystem. Build on Terra, build brand new apps and protocols contributed to existing Terra code base. Join the community, become a validator. The Terra protocol is an open source stablecoin network controlled by its stakeholders. More demand for Terra stablecoin, more value captured by Luna. Terra decentralizes risk assets. You know, they've been in the news here. They've been in Yahoo Finance. They've been in Fortune, Bloomberg. They've been in Bloomberg. Now, here's what Yahoo says. Terra Labs, an all-star roster, and investors committed to deploying $150 million in the Terra ecosystem. Fortune, what is Terra? CoinDesk, Terra attracts $150 million for DeFi ecosystem funds. Yahoo Finance again. ARK Investments. Robinhood. Real Vision. So all kinds of news going on about Terra. One thing here, Luna surges as tokens become the latest shiny thing in crypto. Look at this. The coin has jumped 60% in the past 7 days. There's a 60% jump in this coin, guys. That's why, I mean, not today there isn't, but over in the last 7 days there's 60%. So look at that. The coin price has jumped about 60% in 7 days. It says right here, Luna has jumped about 60% in the past 7 days according to the price on CoinGecko, making it the 12th largest cryptocurrency. Now, right now it's the 10th, so this article is a day or two old. But it says the 12th largest cryptocurrency in the market cap, around a 25 billion. It says right here, crypto is about creating the buzz, and there's a lot of attention on the Terra ecosystem. So a lot of great stuff going on with Terra. So give us your thoughts in the bottom. What do you think about this coin, Terra Luna? I mean, it's up, all kinds of good stuff to get into. So let's go ahead and jump over. There's 3 reasons why Bitcoin has been dragged down to under 50,000. Cryptocurrency is crashing right now, and there seems to be 3 reasons. Let's figure out what those reasons are. Right here on Yahoo Finance, 3 reasons behind the crypto crash that dragged Bitcoin below 50,000. You know, so it's saying right here, you know, that the coin has been brought down to 50,000. So a quick recap. You know, one is the Fed. You know, the first weakness in plain vanilla equities is part of brought about the Federal Reserve talk. The investors are spooked right now about the Feds talking about everything. They got the Feds talking about what they're doing with cryptocurrency. Number 2, COVID. Obviously, the Omicron variant's breakout and the uncertainty around the severity of it, you know, with the vaccines working or not working. So COVID has got everybody scared right now with cryptocurrency. And look at the third thing, the holidays. Also, 'tis the season. Many investors are seeing the year winding down and are looking to lock in the gains and take money off the table. After all, even the recent decline, Bitcoin is still up 66% from the year to date. You know, it started the year at 29,000. So at the beginning of the year, Bitcoin was at 29,000. So it's just normal that investors want to take their gains off the table and they want to kind of lock them up. So they kind of take the money out of crypto and they put it wherever they put it. Where do we go from here? So winter is coming, and it's also a crypto winter. So you got 3 reasons of what's going on in crypto crashing. We got the Feds, we got the COVID, and we got investors who are taking their money off the table. I mean, Bitcoin was at 29,000 a year ago when this year started. I mean, it's up 66% from 1 year ago. So investors sometimes lock their money up for a year later, they decide to do it. So got 3 factors right there. Let's go ahead and talk about what Tom Brady's getting into. Well, we know it. Cryptocurrency. All right, here we go.
One more?
Hang on, there's a possibility of a trade.
Tom Brady wants a trade. Could he be coming home?
What did I say?
Oh my God, Brady!
Yeah, trade. We're telling everyone.
I heard she wants to be in LA.
$2, go. I'm hearing Denver.
I give you the new City Hall. Take that, Tampa.
A trade? Are you sure?
Not a trade. I'm trading crypto. FTX is the safest and easiest way to buy and sell crypto. It's the best way to get in the game.
Just trading crypto.
Oh.
Hey, y'all. It's not coming. Not coming.
Yeah, so that's right. Tom Brady today on Sunday aired in all the different Seattle, Washington, Denver, down in Florida, down in New England, all the different markets of football are going to hear about cryptocurrency thanks to your best friend, Tom Brady. Now, Tom's won all these Super Bowls with New England Patriots, and last year he won it with the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. Also, Tom Brady gave away a Bitcoin to a fan in the stands when he threw his 600 touchdown about a month ago. So we got people giving away Bitcoins to fans. We got people getting into things. I mean, guess what? Today being Sunday, Tom is going to make everybody know about cryptocurrency. Good job, Tom. We totally appreciate you. Let's keep pumping the crypto because we know it's not going anywhere. So don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon. What's our price prediction on this Luna? We guessed it. This is going to be an easy one for me. It's at $67 right now. We're going to say it's going to at least go back to the all-time high from about 3 or 4 days ago to $76. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only, but take a look. That's a $10 swing from 67 to 77. It just hit it a few days ago. So again, check it out. Don't forget to share this with your friends. Click right here to see our most recent video. Today being Sunday, hey everybody, have a fantastic day today.